Hello guys, you are now in tune with M2N. In this episode, I'm going to talk about cloning becoming more commercialized. And what it means is that if, for example, you have a pet in some places, if your pet, your beloved pet that you have lived your life for several years with, you have made a countless amount of memories, if suddenly it dies, your dog, your cat, I don't know, whatever the pet may be, you can go to these certain places, institutes, and have it replaced by the exact same, I can say, entity in terms of DNA sequences. So it means your cat dies, you go there, you pay some money, and then you receive your cat. But that's not crazy because cloning is old news. It's not very new, and they have done it with humans. They don't care about those aspects. And remember, if you hear any piece of news that is about an advanced technology, make sure, and I reassure you that 100% that's old news. If you receive it, we as humans, if they tell us, it means it has been out there for a long time. So it's not new news for me. But what interests me is that cat or dog or whatever that pet is that you receive, is the clone one the same as the one that you had? Do they have the same I don't know, characteristics? Do they perform the same tricks? Are they born with memories that have been experienced by the previous version? So these are the interesting parts. If you any of you have experience with clone or cloning animals, stuff like that, please share your ideas in the comment section. I will be happy to hear what it means to be a clone. For example, in terms of humans, for example, if you clone me, uh, do you get the same me? Does it even remember that it existed once? Or what happens if they find out that you are a clone? What do you do then? In terms of animals, it's quite simple because they don't, I don't know, question their existence. But us humans, we do it all the time. So that would be interesting to know what kind of a result it will show us. So that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Take care of somebody else.